guys, welcome back to Brighton at day 1 and we are finally, do you want to be in the vlog?
No.
We're finally on the train. Oh my gosh, I don't want to tell you about the stress we had, but yeah, this vlog is going to be really happy, so I'm not going to tell you any more details and like take up like 10 minutes of my frustration. Oh. But we're finally on and I'm so happy, and yeah, anything to add? No. Also, I'm actually liking my makeup today. I've got pink eyeshadow, nude lip. Yeah, being very summery. My t-shirt, my trousers, and yeah. Okay, so I'll see you guys when we're in Brighton. We've got our chips now, and this is my second tray because seagulls just stole mine, which was really sad. The sad story of Brighton, and we haven't even been here for like 15 minutes. But my friend's got cheesy chips. How are they?
Really good.
Yeah. And I've just got regular chips with a bit of vinegar. It's so nice here. I'm so happy. Like, we've got a sea view. Yes. And we're just gonna eat our chips, and then we're gonna look around the seafront, and then we're gonna do crazy golf, which I'm super excited for. This is really good. I love chips. These are really nice and crispy as well. Oh, they're perfect. We're just walking around now, Brighton, have a nice day, and there's people everywhere. Someone's singing in the background as well, but we just had chips and we're walking around, and yeah, it's nice. We're just killing time before we check in our bags as well to the hotel. So we'll probably see you, well, I will obviously have to show my ice cream, but I'll see you when we do crazy golf, which I'm so excited for. Oh, there's like a gallery. That's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, that's all the birds that took my chips. Really cool. I don't know if I'm allowed to film this. I'm gonna stop now. We've got our ice cream now, and I am so freaking excited. I have white chocolate with chocolate, and it looks so freaking good. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Are you enjoying it? I am so freaking excited. I've already had a bit, but that's so nice. Excuse my messy hair. I just got my glasses put in there. But if you guys want to try the ice cream, it's called boho gelato, and it is probably my favourite ever. And I think that's backwards on the camera, but I just have to come here every single year because I think I've been here almost every single year since I was coming with my parents, and that must have been like high school, like year 10, year 11, which is crazy. But yeah, it's an amazing ice cream shop. And now we're just heading over to our hotel room, and we're gonna drop our bags, and then, I don't keep mentioning this, but better go crazy golf. We're now in our hotel room. Yay! We're staying in Premier Inn, and my dad said it's a really good hotel to stay in if you're on the budget, which we have because we ain't no millionaire YouTubers staying in swanky seafront hotels. But I want to show you the bathroom like a typical YouTuber, because everyone shows their hotel rooms, don't they? Do like a room tour. You're just chilling. But yeah, let me show you the bathroom because I am so happy with this mirror. There is me. Look at it. It's so bright in here. Like, I can do a dance, and it'll be so good for doing makeup. I'm just so happy.
As well, and there's a light switch, I think.
What? There's a lot. Oh my god! I'm so happy. The little things in life just make me happy. That is so cool. I feel like I'm in a music video or something. Or in one of those TV studios where you get your makeup done.
Oh my goodness.
But this is the bed. This is my bed. We did discuss it. Don't say anything. I'm so happy. I want to stay here forever. We are finally playing Crazy Golf, and Roshni is doing the hole, and we are doing the Jungle Rumble in Brighton, and there she is over there. You can do it. Nearly. You go! Did you get wet? I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do it?
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. It's not even in the shot.
Okay.
Oh, there it is. Show off.
Come on, Rush. I believe in you. Oh my god. Quick, disappear. What is happening today for you?
That doesn't count, that doesn't count.
It said it was going to rain today as well, but it's really nice and sunny, and I'm just loving life, to be honest. And Roshi is still going. We'll get back to you when we're basically finished. The sea view is so pretty as well. And this is the golf course. Aww. How are you finding it?
It's hard.
You ready? My 16th hole. Okay. Quick hole. Oh. Yeah. That's 3. 4.
We are finished Crazy Golf now, and it was so freaking fun, and we're just walking along the North Lanes now. How was it?
It was good.
We're gonna toss up the scores when we get back to the hotel room, so I'm really excited. But for now, we are killing time before getting dinner at like 7, and it's like 4:30, 5.
Don't know.
Yeah. Oh, this is not watches. I want to check if it's open. Go there.
It's 4:40.
Okay, is it open? No, it's closed. No, it's closed. That shop there. Okay, my hair is a mess. I've still got my sunglasses in my hair. And we're back in the hotel room now, and yeah, we decided to do the lanes tomorrow fully for day 2, so we got that to look forward to, and we're just chilling before we go to dinner, and we totted up the golf scores. Yeah! Roshni got 85 and I got 60.
For my first time, that's not bad.
Yeah, that is true.
For my first time, that's not bad. Well, technically this is my second time, but still, it's not bad compared to you.
Mm.
Do you want to know what she told me?
What?
You know what she
I
told
can't
me?
even zoom in.
Good. You know what she told me? What you said particularly. You're like, oh, it must be in my genes because your dad was a golfer. Like, I have an unfair advantage. You have an unfair advantage on me. Like, seriously.
My mum's gonna laugh at this.
You're mean.
Yeah.
You're really mean.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sleep on my small bed.
See, Dad, if you watch this, don't say I don't praise you in my vlogs. Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 2 of Brighton, and today is all about exploring the lanes and just doing loads of cool stuff and shopping, and I definitely want to take pictures next to the Brighton Pavilion. This morning we are actually going to have breakfast on the beach with Starbucks, and we're just getting ready, and I'm super excited because I need my mango black tea lemonade. I'll show you guys my outfit of the day quickly. So you won't recognise this, but this is like a caftan dress from Monkey, and it's so pretty and so aesthetic with the leaves, and there's pinks and greens and like reds as well. I absolutely love it, and it just like ties in the middle, and yeah, and it looks a bit long, but I'm gonna wear my platform sandals with it, and yeah, you probably won't have seen this because I did a monkey haul, but I bought the wrong thing, which is really embarrassing. But this is what I originally wanted in the other print, but I decided to go for this print because I actually preferred it when I tried it on change room, and I've literally just got a top underneath because it's quite a low cut. But yeah, and my makeup today is really cool. I don't know how am I gonna show you. I've literally done like a sort of sunset look with blue on my under eyes to match my nails. And I actually got the idea from Jade Kisser, who is a beauty YouTuber, and absolutely love her videos. And this is from one of her recent videos. I think it was a Cruella Beauty testing video, which is actually a fail because the products look really crap. But yeah, and my hair looks really weird because I just washed it. But yes, loving my whole aesthetic today. And this light was amazing. I felt like a proper like beauty YouTuber doing my mascara in here. So I guess I will see you guys when we are on the beach. Okay guys, we are now walking down the lanes. Don't love it. Ooh, look at that window. That is so cool. But not my aesthetic because it's not pastel. But we are walking down the lanes and everything is now open, which is really good. Except the unlimited shop, which is really sad. But I don't mind. But now we are going to the photo booth and we're going to get brunch as well and just explore everything. We're finished in the photo booth now and I was like, yeah, I know all the rules, and then I got cut out of my own photo. Yay! But it's fine. It's cute. I really enjoyed it. We have to come every single year and do the photo booth. But now we're continuing down the lanes and I don't know what we're going to do. I want to go to the spider plant shop. That should be at the corner hopefully. We found the spider plant shop and it's so cute. Look at all these plants, I'm in heaven. There's so many. It looked like an egg today, but it's fine. But I'm so happy I found it. It's so cute. But the stairs were really steep, so I thought I was gonna die. But yes. We're now on the beach now, feeling sorry for ourselves because we're leaving soon. Are you really sad?
Yeah.
Oh. But I managed to get a magazine she saw in the vlog, and I got some sweets as well, which only cost me like £3.45, which is really good, and I got quite a lot in there. Look how many goodies I got. Oh my god, it looks so good. And I think I'm gonna try one. What should I go? Oh, you got a print as well from Unlimited. That I love it. It's so pretty. I think I'm gonna try a fudge because fudge to me is like British seaside. It's vanilla fudge. I also got some super cute pins too from This Is Not Butchers, and they're gonna go on my denim jacket, and I absolutely love them. This is like meme pins. I think I'm gonna end the Brighton vlog here as well because I feel like I've got so much footage that I need to edit when I get home, and I want to have it up by tomorrow, to be honest. Tomorrow evening for your viewing, which hopefully you are seeing when you watch this. But I had an amazing time and I'm definitely gonna do one night away again. What do you think? think a weekend away. Next year.
Next year.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and you got to see what I get up to when I'm away, or just my average life, and what kind of things we like doing. Give this vlog a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell below to get updates for my next upload. And hopefully in like 5 years time I will be living here, so I won't have to worry about getting the train from London once a year. I could just get the bus to the beach. So I'll see you guys next week for another video, which will be the book haul, which I promised last video. So yeah, so have a good weekend, guys. You say goodbye.